1920x1200pix customer purchase on Android radio with a backup cam. I'm going to take the radio out. First step is to remove this CANBUS. Remove this. Squeeze this. I need somebody else doing it for me. Alright, so pull down the
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
the radio. There's a panel here. There's a panel top like these.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Pull to the right side, all the way up. It's going to need about 10-12 inch extension to reach up. To see it better, remove this glove box, push this side inward, release the out, and it lands. Push both sides in at the same time, and this entire glove box drops. And you can see it from here what you're doing. Basically, straight up, and this right inside corner, remove that, and radio is
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
I found out to detach these cables, we didn't have to because that stays. So we're going to put that back in the back channel also. Panel out. No screws, we just
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
one wire through here.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Power cable here.
For the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Think you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's
One wire all the way from the top section to get on the panel to the headliner. And you just keep behind the panel.
I don't ever slow up,
Go down this
no
little
I don't
gasket.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
Reference
and
website
wanna hate
shows where the
this,
reverse wire is. Give me the reverse wire from the back.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I
Two wires right next to each other. Not about
the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
the green wire that I showed you online. So make a hole here and run the wire here down and connect it to this. Hey. Remove all these air vent switches. Transfer over. You also have to remove these clips and transfer over to new ones.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I
Regular radio is held down to 1/8 mil, but this is just a flat panel. There is no way to do that, so it just second clip by second lock this.
and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
everything I do so instinctive and passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, not the roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
Pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you
There is no
to
indication
hear
hole for it,
words,
so
you
just
can
plug in.
say them back. I want you to feel free
If you don't have this
from
one,
the chains
the
that
SRS
last,
here makes
and
like
to
indication
believe
to
in
tap
what
on.
you got,
So
it
it plugs
was
back in.
built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up